How to fix Instagram Reels too bright problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then scroll down the notification bar, and here you'll find battery saver. Click on it. Click on turn on automatically, and then make sure click on based on percentage and turn it on. After you've done that, open Instagram and see if it fixes your problem. If it still does not fix your problem, where you have problems, simply shake your Instagram. Shake your phone. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on report a problem, and you will find it in this way. Now, in here, you can simply type in as shown on the screen, my Instagram Reels too bright. All of the sudden, please fix this, and press on send at the top right. Instagram will get back to you within 24 hours and solve your issue. This is how to fix Instagram Reels too bright problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.